In this video, we will be demonstrating the unboxing of the TRANQUILITY II monitor. On the outside of the box, you can locate the label indicating the model type and the serial number of your device. Upon the opening of the box, first thing you'll find is your device's documentation, as well as 2 styrofoam protectors with the monitor in between. You'll also find the accessory box containing the accessories that come with the monitor, which include your NIBP cuff, the NIBP tubing for the cuff. You'll also find your SpO2 finger sensor, along with the extension cable of the SpO2 finger sensor, a 5-lead patient cable, as well as a temperature probe. And last but not least, you'll also find the power cord to the monitor. Additionally, you can find the warranty registration card indicating the instructions on how to properly register your device. This completes our demonstration. If you continue to have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Schiller Americas or your local distributor.